Imagine this. You're caught in the mountains, and a blizzard comes out of nowhere. Could you outrun it? Blizzards aren't random. They're powered by Arctic cold fronts and low-pressure systems, pushing snow and wind at up to 50 miles per hour. That's faster than most people can run. The wind intensifies snowfall, reducing visibility to nearly zero. But it's not just about speed. Blizzards can last for days, freezing everything in their path. Wet clothes make you lose heat 25 times faster, and frostbite is always lurking. It's not just a race, it's survival science. Want to dive deeper into the science of extreme weather? Hit subscribe and explore with Science Flows.